since the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank, investors throughout the world have wondered who's next in line. Well, investors' worst nightmare is here as the First Republic Bank has become another US regional bank with assets over $200 billion to fail in just a few weeks. The bank mainly catered to a wealthy clientele which is now believed to have contributed to its undoing. The First Republic Bank grew rapidly through deposits from wealthy individuals and companies, and its business model was to lure high net worth customers with preferential rates on mortgages and loans. Those deposits were then used to make large loans when interest rates were at historically low levels. But because of Silicon Valley Bank's fall, First Republic's clients started pulling their money, fearing that their deposits were in danger. What came next was the large loans on First Republic's books dropped in value as the Federal Reserve rapidly raised interest rates last year, because of which the bank could not sell the loans to raise capital. As the bank was headed towards a clear fall, government intervention in First Republic became necessary. Treasury officials asked banks to submit bids for First Republic, and bankers and regulators worked to find a way forward. Now, the biggest US bank, JPMorgan Chase, has bought most of the San Francisco lenders' assets. Under JPMorgan's deal, First Republic's 84 offices in 8 US states would reopen as branches of JPMorgan Chase Bank. So after the takeover, customers of the failed bank will be dealing with the giant financial group instead. Also after the deal, JPMorgan, the biggest US bank, will get even bigger as a result of the deal. It will pay $10.6 billion to the US Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation as part of the deal. After JPMorgan purchased First Republic, Kotak Mahindra Bank CEO Uday Kotak heaped praises on the strong domestic US financial institutions. While commenting on this development, Kotak highlighted the need for strong domestic financial institutions backed by reliable domestic capital. He also stressed on the fact that India must also nurture such institutions as the US has done.